Hello YouTube, Seasoned Lazy Man here. In this video I'm going to be showing you the SLM multi-tool. After spending multiple hours searching the internet to find the best multi-tool, I came up empty. So I decided to design and build one of my own. What I came up with is what I believe is the best multi-tool for the size, weight, and price. I also designed a Kydex sheath to hold to my keychain. Let's pull it out and take a closer look. The total length is 3 3/4 inches. The width is 1 inch and the thickness is 1/16 of an inch. And it weighs 1.9 ounces. The entire tool is made from stainless steel that I've sandblasted to give it some texture. In the front is a 3/4 inch multi-purpose blade. It's designed to be used when you don't want to bring out your everyday carry knife, such as for opening boxes and cutting small items. Every multi-tool needs a bottle opener, and this one is one of the best. There's a seat belt cutter. The SLM multi-tool is designed to be carried on the keychain so it's available for an emergency develops. This is a 3/4 inch chamfered hole designed to hold the index finger for better control. Next are 2 slots that hold 1/4 inch drive bits. I have a flat tip and a Phillips, but you can put in any bit that you use in your everyday life. They are held in place by a Kydex strip. Towards the tail is a pry bar. It's angled to provide maximum lifting ability. On the pry bar tip is a 1/4 inch hexagonal hole used to hold the 1/4 inch drive bits in place. This is the only tool I know of that has the bit driver hole on the angled part of the pry bar. This provides better clearance for the handle to be turned. The pry bar also has wire strippers in the middle, and on each side is a flat tip screwdriver. This one holds a Phillips drywall screw. To get the bits out, we slide this forward. Place them in the hexagonal hole.
Some ice cold beer and chicken too. Let your hair